Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and I'm going to welcome you to this channel. Guys, I created this channel to help you on the affiliate marketing, network marketing, and also trading journey. We have 3 videos a week that I put out, and guys, today is all about affiliate marketing. So what are we going to be talking about today? Very interesting. Okay, so if you're wondering how you can actually 3x your affiliate marketing earnings, yes, that's what I said, guys, 3x your affiliate marketing earnings. I'm going to share with you a simple strategy in this video for free that can start to help you 3x your affiliate marketing earnings. But we are going to go to the basics. So I created this channel, guys, because it's all about skill sets. If you're learning or you're in the online space and you're trying to, maneuver around all of this chaos that's there and learn how to actually monetize, actually more than anything else, monetize your online journey, then affiliate marketing is definitely one of the business models that I personally recommend to people because it's easy to get started with. It is a very clear and concise business model, and all you need to do is focus on the skill. If you're focusing on the skill set, then you can definitely start to monetize this. And in this video, we're going to 3x that earnings. So if you're just a beginner, or if you're somebody who's mid-level or advanced, well, guys, this is going to help everybody, in my opinion. So you can find out exactly. And if you're advanced, you already know this strategy, I'm sure. But any which ways, I think that it's really important that I share this information. I put this out specifically for the new people on this channel. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, trading cryptocurrency, and even a funding strategy that helps with your cash flow, well, those are the kind of videos that I put out on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. Also give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Guys, first and foremost, leave a comment below if this is something that you want to see more about, because I'm going to go in the new year in very detailed description on how you can actually start to generate much more on affiliate marketing sales with these strategies. And pretty much I'm sharing my journey on this channel, so you get to see everything from scratch, how I'm building it. And I've taken away everything that I've done before, and I've started from scratch this year. And this is why I'm putting out this content for you guys, to show you that it is possible. Okay, so how are we going to 3x our marketing earnings? Let's go ahead and check it out. So what you're going to see in this video is pretty much 3 main things. How do you bring traffic or eyeballs? Traffic is basically people to your affiliate marketing business, people to your business. How do you do that? And to monetize them based on your efforts. Second, we're going to specifically talk about the monetization part of it, okay? And how you can actually set things up so that it's monetized. You create an ecosystem for yourself where the commissions just come in day after day after day, okay? And then lastly, we're going to talk about the 3x method that I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, I do want to say, if you stick to the very end, I'm going to give you for free a system that's helped me not only start, but also 3x my earnings. And this is how I'm going to share it with you. I personally, I'm not somebody, to show flashy things. It's all about skill sets for me. And this is why I'm actually creating this content. So let's go ahead and actually talk about the first part, which is why traffic is not numbers, but people. See, a lot of the times people have, where you hear about it online with traffic, you need to know your numbers, Yes, you need to know your numbers, okay? I'm not putting away the factor that you don't need to know your numbers. What I am trying to say in this video, okay, or what I'm trying to say from this slide basically is that if you consider traffic as only numbers, you're going to get less results. Why? Because you're not going to have a connection with your audience. You're not going to relate to them. You don't know their struggles. You don't know their avatar. You don't know what's happening in their lives. If they don't comment, if you guys don't comment below in my video, if you guys don't reach out to me, which you guys do on Facebook, on YouTube, and so on and so forth, then how am I supposed to know what exactly is the need of my audience? So if you treat your people as numbers, then it's only going to give you statistical help, and that's it. And statistical help does give us a lot of value, don't get me wrong. But if you start to change that statistics and think that there's a person behind that, then the value is much more. So I've shared it with you guys in this slide as a simple way, okay? You have bills to pay every month, okay? Imagine you're affiliate marketing and you have bills to pay every month. Now that business model which you have, or the bills that you pay, is a business model for that person, right? So if you have your electricity bill, there's a monthly cycle. If you have your internet bill, there's a monthly cycle, and so on and so forth. So bills pay for people's jobs. So you have to understand that this is a business model in itself. We are a part of this structure. We are a part of it. So if I'm using a tool and service, it pays for somebody else, but it also pays for the tool and service that I'm using. Okay. If I generate a commission for myself, I'm behind that commission, right? Because I'm earning that. So we are not numbers. We are the numbers for the bills that we pay. Think about it that way. So when I'm paying, I am making a purchase. On the other side, the company sees me as a number, but I'm on this side making that payment. So you have to just shift the mindset. And this is the key element here. You have to shift the mindset in knowing that there's a human being behind that. Okay. Because what will shift is the fact from going from instant gratification, where you just want to, receive, you eat something and like, that gave me instant gratification, right? You have that kind of a mentality in the affiliate marketing, network marketing space. In general, in marketing, it's a lot of instant gratification, which is why FOMO exists, fear of missing out, or other kinds of things related to the psychology of human beings, because instant gratification is such a hardcore thing. Now, if you change that mindset from instant gratification to delayed gratification, trust me, your affiliate marketing journey will be long-term and will last for ages, and you will be able to pass that on as a skill set to other people. This personally I've seen, because I've been online for a long time, guys, and if I focused only on instant gratification, I would have given up a long time ago. I would focus more on delayed gratification rather than instant gratification, because with delayed gratification, I'm focusing on the skill, and then the results come at the end. If I'm focusing on instant gratification, I don't really care about the skill. I'll do anything I want, like clickbait, to get access to that sale. That's not the right long-term method, in my opinion, but it's up to you which one you decide. Now, 80% of your time should be focused on how to keep the flow of traffic, how to keep the flow, meaning how do you keep people coming back to your opportunity or affiliate marketing business day in and day out. This is the main flow. If this flow stops, then your business stops. Okay, this is basically it. It's very simple. If you treat your business as a business, then you'll understand this factor, right? If people are not coming to buy anything, then what's the point of having it? So it's the focus. The key element here is focusing on the skill set of generating traffic. People are the heart of this world and ultimately the soul behind the numbers. This is a very powerful statement that I've written because I think it's important that I shared with you so that you understand it's more of a mindset shift. Okay, I wanted to keep that very clear, that it is a mindset shift. Now, how do you monetize this traffic? So I'm going to keep this one very, very short, guys. We are speaking about affiliate marketing. Therefore, you are offering a product, a service, a course, value. Okay, all these things consist of value, where you're offering something in exchange for something. So you're offering value, you're offering a course, you're offering a service, you're offering a product, which you can monetize organically. So you don't need to use paid traffic, but you can obviously to scale it up. But if you don't use paid traffic, your organic efforts will result into a monetary value of you getting a commission. And this is the whole idea of affiliate marketing, right? So always focus on converting that cold traffic, converting those new eyeballs into people who know, like, and trust you, who return back. So if you're growing a YouTube channel, I'm just going to give you an organic example, right? If you're growing a YouTube channel, your aim for the YouTube channel is not to monetize the YouTube channel. Aim for the YouTube channel is to build a community and build an audience. Once that happens, then the monetization is able to take place. Okay, so it does take work, it does take time, it does take effort. But what I'm trying to say here is definitely it will you will be able to monetize your efforts based on the product or service, a course or value that you are sharing, and focus on building your email list. That is where the asset is, because you'll be able to send emails out to your videos, grow your audience. They'll get to know you. They'll get to like you. They'll get to trust you. They'll get a peek into your life in what you are doing. Okay. So this is the key element right here. These are the three ones that are really important. How, if you're a bit confused, this is how I just, put a very simple formula to remember it. So you have traffic, you have free traffic, you have paid traffic that goes to a marketing system. And then from that marketing system, it goes to a product or service. Now, the marketing system can be a tool that you're using to create, and I'm saying marketing system, I mean a funnel. In a real life scenario, this would be people walking in freely, like basically walking on the road, just freely getting into the shop and having the selection of products and services right there. And then they decide if they want to take something or not, or they can leave. And then you have the paid ones where you pay for the advertising and then they come to your system. Again, this is the same format, right? So you have both these elements that you can put in place, and this is the simple formula behind it. Let's get into the monetization. So how do you monetize your affiliate marketing business? You don't have an affiliate marketing business if you're not able to monetize it. So the main focus here of the monetization part is the product or service. Now, the product or service is created in the form of a funnel, as we call it, okay? Now, a funnel exists all over, guys. Funnels exist in every shape in every walk of life, in every shape that you can imagine, going from the let's say real-time brick and mortar stores to the digital space, okay? A funnel is basically people who come to a page, who understand they are interested in something, and then they go through the sales process, as we call it, okay? They just understand and they make a buying decision at the end of that sales process. They make a buying decision at the end of that sales process. So it is that freedom of choice to buy the product that will be valuable for you. If you are sharing something that makes sense, if you are bringing the right audience, if you're attracting the right people, okay, with your traffic, as we spoke about before, now you can use free methods and talk to a specific community. You can use paid methods and enter into that community by advertising there, just like the yellow books originally, but now you have Facebook ads, YouTube ads, so many ads, services, advertising services that you can utilize to enter into those specific keywords and key, let's say, communities where people are interested in something that you have to offer, okay? So you're offering value to them, and that's where they come. So you start with one source of income and then add along the way other sources of income that create an ecosystem. This is how you monetize the whole business. So you might be selling, it's what we call a value ladder. You might be selling something for $7 and then it goes to $67 and then it goes to $97 and so on and so forth. Or you can have, when you enter a store, you have the low-end products and the high-end products. Now, the high-end products obviously are good sales to have because it takes a lot of the time frame of, you know, the monthly bills being paid, etc. You get the commissions faster, but those low-end products need to be there to balance it out and create the right ecosystem. So you can start off with a low-end product and then scale up to have higher-end products. So start with one source of income and then have the 3x style, okay? So now, for example, I have, and if you guys go, there'll be a link in the description to a free funnel, which is my gift to you guys. Okay, this is really in the middle of this video, I want to share with you. I'm telling you guys, this is a free gift for you. It's a free funnel that'll help you monetize your efforts. It's actually teaching what I'm sharing with you right now. Okay, in a very concise form, you have an exact place that you can send it to traffic. You don't need to pay for a marketing system. It's already built. It's already set up. You can collect the emails. It doesn't have to go to anybody else. So you're creating and building your asset by building your list. So it's really a no-brainer, in my opinion, to offer the free funnel to you guys as an asset and teaching you guys all these things on this video. Okay, so the free funnel is in the description. Let's go ahead and speak about also now you have a way to earn, right? So imagine this free funnel. Let's take this free funnel as an example. This free funnel has income sources. Okay, it has a way for you to, one, build your asset, which is the main thing. You're building your email list. Okay, you're building a list of clients. From those clients that you're building, if they purchase anything from that free funnel, you are getting the commission, right? So now you have a person who's ready to buy and maybe come back for more. So this is the second thing. And the third thing is that you are not spending extra money. That's just, let's use that as an example. Now you have this one source of income. So if anybody buys any product within that free funnel itself, now the funnel is free, you can actually give it to other people as well. But if somebody purchases something from that, you get the commission, not me. You get the commission. How do you 3x that? When you create in affiliate marketing, when you create a funnel and you're selling a product or service, because it is selling, you're going through the marketing process, the sales process, you're building your list. Now on the front end, you have one offer that is the focus. So for example, I have in the free funnel, there are, I think, 4 income sources in the free funnel that you would get, 4 income sources. Okay, out of which one is 4 or 5, out of one of which one is residual income. So you will get paid monthly if somebody purchases, obviously, and is paying that monthly bill, you are getting paid a commission for that monthly bill. So it's a good thing, right? Those are the income sources, but I'm still considering that entire free funnel as one income source for me. Even though it has multiple products or services, it's still one income source for me. Now, how are you going to 3x that? You create and constantly build your list. This is the focus. This is the aim. You're offering a value ladder, right? So you're offering somebody with immense value. You're always over delivering. You're not giving less always over delivering, guys, and asking the customer to pay less, because that is creating longevity for your affiliate marketing business. Remember that. With the super funnel hero, which is what I'm offering you, it shortens your time because you don't have to build the funnel yourself. You don't have to create the products and services. You can directly get a commission for those products and services that you're selling within the superhero funnel. Okay, super funnel hero, sorry, super funnel hero, right? And this is the key. You have your list. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention, because you have your list. Now, in the super funnel hero, there's one product, okay, which is the basic product, which is called the Killer Follow-Up Series, and it costs just $7. Now, my recommendation to you is to get that. I'm going to share with you what the strategy is, but first and foremost, let me say, get that $7 product. So when you get the free funnel, just take the free funnel for yourself. The minimum purchase that I would recommend you to buy is that $7 Killer Follow-Up Series. Now, it's not just a follow-up series that you can use for your email list. No, guys, this is way, 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 way more. Okay, this is something that is organic. It is constantly updated. It gives you access, literally gives you access to 3 other income sources. It gives you access to 3 other income sources, which are products that work, which are related to email marketing. So it's not going, you know, far-fetched and something like that. We're teaching people the basics, and then you're giving them advanced skills through email marketing, through so much more, the tools that are there. I'm not going to share with you, but there are 3 main programs that you would get access to. You don't need to buy them. You would get access to it, and you can start to give them to your list, and you're earning from your list now once you're sending traffic once, right? So if it's YouTube, Facebook, whatever, paid or free, you're sending traffic once, you're building your list once. And when you build your list once, now you're 3xing your potential by just selling those or having those other products and services in your follow-up with your customers. And that doesn't need to happen immediately. That can happen over time. What is the strategy behind it? I'm telling you what to get, okay? Because I think that's the most value I can provide you as a new person, as a mid-level person, or even a senior in this journey. I think that it is still valuable for every level that you're at. What is the strategy behind this? If you understand what I'm sharing with you here, is you focus on building your list. So if I go back, your focus here is to build your list. When you send that free traffic and that paid traffic to your marketing system, you're building your list. So the aim is to build the list. Once you have people on your list, after they finish, let's say 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, whatever it is that you have to offer, after that specific amount of time, you can add a different product or service that you have. Maybe you're coming out with a new product or service. Maybe you want to share with them an early access. And so now you have a second one. And then maybe you get a third one in time. And then you get a fourth one in time. So this can happen where you can 10x your potential by building a list once. Okay, by building a list once, you can 10x your potential. You can 3x your potential with the method that I'm saying immediately. But you can do it on your own if you have other products and services to offer. If you are creating your own courses, you can add that income stream as well. So you're doing the work once, but you're exponentially growing your asset, and you're able to work with them. Now, there is one thing we're not doing it in a spammy way, guys. Okay, we're here to actually add value to other people's lives. So that means basically when you are sharing, people are getting to know, like, and trust you. They're getting to know you. This is the key element. You're focused on, as I mentioned right in point number 1, the numbers are people. And when you understand the needs of the people, that's the kind of products and services that you'll offer there. It's not like you will offer, let's say if you're doing affiliate marketing and suddenly offer a cryptocurrency offer in your affiliate marketing business. It doesn't make sense to do that, because you're entering into two different spaces, 2 different industries. Okay, so you can use free traffic obviously to build your email list, and then you can use paid traffic to build your email list. This is basically what I want to share. These are just kind of paid traffic and kind of free traffic that you can find. And let's go ahead and actually get on my computer and share with you. As I mentioned, you will find a link to this page right now in the description of this video, and also you would find a link to this sales page, as well as the Killer Follow-Up Series, which is just $7, as you can see right here. Okay, so feel free to click on that and get it. And I guess I'm going to see you on the next one. Have a great day.